Welcome back to episode 5. Today we're going to be mocking up the body kit and putting the T37s onto it, seeing how they all fit, and working out some of the little issues with the intercooler in the front bar. Unfortunately, we won't have much more time to film a lot for this episode. Unfortunately, as you've probably seen in the news, last week southeast Queensland and northern New South Wales were hit with some pretty devastating rain and floods. So that's put us back a little bit because we've had some bigger priorities with the shop and our customers. So forgive us for not having a full episode for you today, but we've definitely got something exciting in the pipeline for you, and we really hope you enjoy this episode.
Looks good, man. Let's drop it down.
How's that fitment too?
Fitment looks good, man.
Oh, nice.
It looks tasty.
Damn.
Alrighty, Matty, on your bike. bend with the back.
Bend with your back, your whole back and nothing but your back.
Can't do it on your knee.
Yeah.
What is he doing? Don't. No. Okay, rightio.
We got this.
Are you okay?
What was
For
it?
those of you who don't know, Matt has a very cooked back right now. Like as cooked as you can get. That's how cooked his back is.
It's alright, at least they're raised.
At least they're not rotors,
Yeah, I
right?
was gonna say shit.
At least these
At
are
least
rotor
they're
grids and
rotors.
not T37s, man.
You got it, bro. What are you doing? A little bit anti-clockwise. Maybe there it is.
Oi, look at this fitment in the back right
Oh,
here.
you already got it none on there.
Oh, that's tasty, man.
That looks right to me.
We're gonna need to roll these guards.
Well, it's not held in yet. That's how it'll sit.
Oh, really?
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, we're gonna need to roll that.
That's how it'll sit. It did look questionable when we bought it,
Yeah.
but it has got meats on it, so.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, stop about there.
Oh boy,
That's pretty close.
that's some meat.
I think if he wants to run these with these tyres, he's gonna have to raise it a bit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to throw that jockey on there.
Yeah, and then chuck that on there. You can kind of get the look we're going for.
Okay.
Okay. Damn, that's how I wish my RX-7 was.
Fuck man, that's too full.
You can keep going down.
Oh, it looked like it's starting to slow
Yeah,
down.
it's like, that's coiling out now though. It's got a sag. I'm pretty sure I was all the way out on the jack.
What's it at? Oh, this is all the way out,
Yeah,
is
that's
it?
pretty much all the way down.
Yeah, it is. Yes. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's down.
I was going to put my fingers up in it.
Can't put your fingers in there.
That's on the tyre,
on
man.
the fender?
That's on the fender.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can even get a piece of paper up there. Got that person's receipt fitment. Oi, it fits, but you can't get a finger up there.
Oh, what
We
about
can't
credit
run.
card? We need the credit card.
We need credit card
Here we
fitment.
go.
The
Try not to
Otaku
get the
Garage
name
credit
that
card
on.
fitment.
We'll pull out the BP perks card.
Oi, he
Oh.
passes. He passes. Does
Oh,
it
look.
grab though?
You
It
hit the
grabs.
fender here, but
Yeah.
we can.
Brad, man, you got that BP rewards card fitment. That's what you're after. Should we put one of those thick tyre ones on the front?
It's tempting.
It is tempting. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, we should do
Alright, let's do it. It looks so much better with good tyres. Bro, holy,
it. Looks way better.
holy.
Damn. Okay. That looks a million times
This is making me want to swap the 33 for an S15. Holy. All right, 17s look good.
17 with meat.
No, it's bad.
That's
So going on now is the aero side skirts. That's what they called you.
yeah.
Aero
Spec
side
RS.
skirts for the Spec RS15.
Wants and loves these cars. Oh no.
So right now, Zach, Matt, and Jack are all chucking the aero kit on the S15.
The Otaku.
The Otaku OTAKREW. If you guys want shirts and stickers, let us know.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
There's no
Do
foothold.
you want love and to be fed? Well, help me plug our merchandise, boy. Come here. That was your cue. Thanks. That's it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. How could you deny that happy, goofy face? Hey, now that I've got your attention, if you jump on www.otakugarage.com and /merchandise, you too could own one of these t-shirts.
Like that.
Oh man.
This
Damn,
is a
man.
nice car, dude.
This is such a mint car. I just wish we could run those tie specs in the back. Alrighty guys, so what we have right here going onto the S15 is a 600 horsepower rated Plasma Man intercooler for the S15. Now we've already mocked this thing up and it fits absolutely mint. So let's chuck it on now so we can show you guys.
The wheels, mate.
Sorry, you've been talking to customers. I like it. I like it too. I like it. I like. Check out the fitment in the back.
It's actually not too bad, to be honest.
Yeah.
For a fiberglass kit, that's not too bad.
Snap off all the.
I'll just get out of the way. I'm not even important anymore. You guys don't need me.
Small fitment issues, nothing major.
Damn, Tommy F here with that zinc.
Alrighty, as you guys probably saw, I teased a little bit of the intercooler piping at the end of episode 4. I did a bit of stuff off camera, so I'll quickly run you guys through that now, show you what I've done so far. And now that we have an intercooler and a front bar, we can start looking at getting the rest of the intercooler piping mocked up in the next episodes as well. So all I've done so far is just the in-bay. We've sort of got the turbo where we're happy with it sitting. We've got the prototype catch can in there. We should actually have within the next week probably the actual catch can to go in, which will be super exciting. And then we can start making some breather lines and finish off the catch can. But yeah, no, as you can see, intercooler piping's looking nice and neat, and it's taped together, not currently tack welded, but now that we've got the front bar and we can finish doing some trimming today and getting the front bar fully mounted so we know where it's going to be sitting, we can then work on the rest of the intercooler piping and getting that mocked up.
It's nice.
No, it's very nice. Yeah, it's different, man. Yeah, it's different. It's nice.
But the bar almost sits perfectly level with the bottom of the cooler, so you could almost make a splitter that runs off the bottom of the cooler straight off the bar, and then make a nice cool splitter.
The WRX lid looks good on the spec car front bar.
Yeah.
You can move forward.
Because I had about half
wanna
an
go-
inch of clearance.
You can go about there if you want. That's a little bit further.
Yeah, that's about where I was having it. That's full lock. Awesome. All right, I'm happy with that. Alrighty, that brings us to the end of episode 5. Thank you again for watching. If you could leave us a comment, give us a like. Hello, Vinny, welcome into the episode. We really appreciate it. We love the engagement with you guys. As you can see, we've done some rough fitting up. We've done a little bit of trimming. We haven't done full mounting of it, so there's a little bit that we can get more out of the adjustment, but this gives us a really good idea of how the wheels and the body kit are gonna fit. We've got it fitting with the intercooler, so now we can start finishing off intercooler piping. We can start running and making the brackets for the oil cooler in upcoming episodes. So I don't know about you guys, but just mocking up the kit to where we've got to today has got me super excited, and I'm keen to get on to some more. See you in the next episode. Should I get low and sort of talk from here, or does that look stupid?
Tribute to our Ukrainian friends.
Slava Ukraine. Alrighty, well thanks for nothing, absolutely nothing. I don't know what they're doing over there. Page light. It's like, that's better.
Hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, brother.